Hey everybody, it's Mark Schultzer with DigitalAircraft, and I'm very excited to be here today doing an interview first thing in the morning at the MRO Americas here in Atlanta for 2023. And I'd like to introduce to you a friend of mine. Go ahead, if you can tell us who you are and what do you do.
Sure, so thanks Mark. My name is Frank Stevens. I'm the Global Vice President of MRO Centers for Embraer. I have a unique position in the company. I get to oversee our executive, commercial, and defense MROs for all sectors that Embraer operates, and we're so happy to be here. And thanks for having this time with us.
Yeah, it's really great because I've looked at at Embraer grow over the last couple of years, and certainly it's been a company that's been around for how many years now? Is the total?
We're 52 this year.
52 years old, but I've visited Embraer down in South America many times, and I've just seen such a growth and maturity around maintaining and supporting aircraft and putting out aircraft. And so I wanted to have a conversation with you today about really what's important and what you're doing. So